Hi, I'd like to tell you today about the free course that I've put together to enable you to become the best you can possibly be at building Canvas Power Apps. So it is a learn at your own pace course, and there are over 200 searchable lessons. So you can actually search for an item of text anywhere in the lessons and you'll actually be able to go to the lesson that is relevant to that particular piece of text. Now, the level that this thing comes in at is somewhere between level 100, which is not very much knowledge at all, right all the way up to about 350, but probably not too much more than that. So there are things that you will find on the internet that will go into more detail in many of the areas that are covered by this particular course. It is, however, structured and comprehensive, so you should get a really good feeling that you have got your arms around this particular technology by the time that you get to the end of the course. Now, we have an active community, and those community help me to make this course as good as it can possibly be. And we also run live events so that we can just have a little bit of fun with Canvas Power Apps and explore the possibilities that are available to us. I do my absolute best to keep this course as up to date as I possibly can make it, so that if there are any new developments in Power Apps that come to this space, then I will bring it to this course so that you can benefit from it. This course you can find at www.powerplatformlearn.academy. And my final thought is to really say that this is the course that I would have wanted when I first started building Canvas Power Apps. And I really hope that you can be as successful as you possibly can be with it.